In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload video to Loom account. We'll walk through signing in, uploading your file, letting Loom process it, adding the finishing touches, choosing the right privacy level, and sharing the link with the people who need it. First, open your browser and log into your Loom account. Use your usual sign-in method and make sure you're in the correct workspace if you use more than one. Once you land on your Loom dashboard, look for the upload option. Depending on your layout, it may read upload or upload a video. Click it to start. Next, choose the file you want to add. You can click choose file and browse to your video, or drag and drop it right into the window. Loom supports common formats like MP4 and MOV, so pick the version that's ready to share. If you have multiple takes, select the best one to keep your library tidy. After you select the file, Loom begins uploading and processing it in the background. You'll see progress indicators as it goes. Keep the tab open and stay connected to the internet until it finishes. Timing will vary. Smaller clips may be ready in seconds, while longer, high-resolution videos can take a few minutes. That's normal, and you don't need to do anything while it works. When the upload completes, you'll land on the video page where you can update the details. Add a clear, descriptive title so viewers instantly know what they're watching. Write a brief description to provide context, outline key points, or note any actions you want viewers to take. If Loom offers a thumbnail option for this video, choose a frame that best represents the content to make it more recognizable at a glance. Now set the privacy that fits your audience. Choose anyone with the link if you want hassle-free viewing outside your team. Select only people in your workspace to keep it internal. If you need extra control, use password protected and share that password securely with your viewers. Finally, copy the share link. Click copy link, then paste it wherever your audience will see it: email, chat, or your course or project platform. Send it to clients, team members, or students, and they'll be able to watch immediately based on the privacy you set. That's it. You've signed in, uploaded, let Loom process the file, customize the details, set privacy, and shared the link. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.